Hey, it's Tom
And Mike.
from Take Time to Travel.
When we were in Asia early last year, we traveled to Da Nang, Vietnam and stayed in this beautiful Airbnb apartment, which was super cheap.
We thought we'd lost the footage of the apartment tour, but luckily we found it. So in this video, we wanted to give you a tour of the beautiful Airbnb apartment that we stayed at in Da Nang, Vietnam for 6 days. Let's check it out. Okay, so here's our Airbnb in Da Nang. It's called the Mung Tan Apartments that we rented. And pretty nice chandelier hanging over the table and chairs as you come in the door out of the hallway. We've got a pretty good size refrigerator and a washing machine here. Lots of area in the kitchen with a, looks like a 1-burner stove and vent over top of it. And it's got a little microwave down in the bottom there. This is the sitting area, nice and bright and yellow, and we've got the doors open wide up, and looks like it's got a pretty nice view out here on the balcony down to the beach. You can see there through some of these hotels anyway, and then back over towards the city this way. I don't know if you can see that with the sun shining, but anyway, you can see some of these hotels have nice sky bars out on top, and we'll be checking those out later. And just back inside again, this is the main bedroom here. Looks like it's got a king-size bed and dresser, another little place to sit down here, and same view at the side window there. Windows are kind of dirty. And then this is all glass out to the living room here. There are curtains that you can draw and kind of separate it off. And then here's the bathroom here. It's got one of those vessel sinks that I don't really like, and pretty nice looking shower head there, a rain head and then a handheld one, and a little window in the shower. It's got the glass doors and nice tile on that. And this is the other bedroom here. It does have a window, sort of a city view at the side, and looks like 2 single beds. So that is pretty much it. And so we just arrived here, and we're going to be heading out to sort of get the lay of the land and see what's going on in Da Nang. What an amazing apartment, eh?
Yeah, I especially loved how the folding balcony wall opened all the way up. And it was super cheap too. It only cost us $90 Canadian per night, including all taxes and fees. And it even included airport pickup and drop-off. That's so much cheaper than in Canada.
Well, as always, we really enjoyed making today's video, and we hope you enjoyed watching it too. If you did, we'd really appreciate it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications on our future videos. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps our channel to grow.
And remember, take time to travel. Catch you on the next one.